Welcome to Dainea Lip Lab. I'm so honored for you to be here today. I will be creating lip products for you on this channel. And today we are highlighting lip oils. So the batch you're about to see, I didn't really care for it. I had to make two other batches, and let's start getting creating. We're going to go in with 1/4 of a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. You want to be really careful with vegetable glycerin because it separates a lot. Then I'm going to go with a full teaspoon of apricot oil. Y'all, I'm really just winging it. I just want to let y'all know, but we're going to get this formula to be a 1, okay? Next, I am taking a 1/2 teaspoon of the grapeseed oil, and you can get all this at your local stores. And then you're gonna quick whip it up real quick with your little spatula. And that's how it's going to look. And then we're gonna take the TKB Cali Sun pigment. In my final formula, I added 5 drops of that one. And then I'm going to go in with Yummy Pink by TKB. They're liquid pigments, and I did 8 drops of that. And then I'm just going to fold that in real quick. And this is like the desired color that I'm going to get, which is like folding it in. And this is considered phase A. With the oils and the pigments, I like to blend those all together first. Now we're going to switch over to phase B, which is 1.5 tablespoon of the High Shine Lip Gloss Base by TKB. This is a little bit more sticky and it's less bubbles. So like by itself it's really sticky, and I think I just like it when I add the oils to it. But you're gonna see in the end of how this actual formula turned out. It's because I added some other stuff that I wasn't really supposed to be adding in it. So we have your phase A, phase B, and now we're going to mix in phase A to phase B because phase A was a little bit more liquidy, and it's just easier to transfer everything like that. I would definitely like get a spatula and a little small like mixing tool. I think you do like the frosting stuff, but TKB sells this as well. So that's how it looks when the pigment just hits the lip gloss base. So we're going to blend this together. I didn't want to sit there and fold it with the spatula because I'd have been folding for a long time. So this does make bubbles, but you can let it sit and the bubbles will all pop away and you'll still have a good formula. But I just wanted to make sure it was nice and blended. I wanted to make sure like the color consistency was well, and I kind of wanted to like speed it up because who wants to sit there and blend. This is the part where I messed up. Adding a loose pigment to this high shine lip gloss base, it does not mix well with pigments. They even say this on the website. So even here bloopers. And I'm just making sure like the colors is correct how I want it. I want like a little corally pink color, kind of like Orgasm by Norms. That was like the first lip oil I ever tried, and I loved it. Oh my goodness. So now we're going to add in the flavor smell part of it. This is equal parts of Juicy Watermelon and Monkey Farts by Nature's Garden. This is a pipette. I probably put about 1.5 milliliters of each And then I went, this formula already has vitamin E, but I need some little more stability with the other oils that I'm putting in. So I am putting some more vitamin E in there because it's kind of helps as a preservative. But once I like research all the lip glosses that are on the market, they actually have a broad spectrum preservative in there. So TKB also sells the preservative that goes in cosmetics as well too. They sell like different forms of it, and I shall be getting them as well too, just so you can see what it does, how it feels, how much to put in there. I eyeball the vitamin E, but you typically want to put like 1% or a very small percentage of your preservative. And I'm just making sure everything is blended to perfection. This was the hardest part because this was very liquidy and it came out liquidy. On here it looks amazing, but once it settles, it all everything like just settled to the bottom. So yeah, maybe I could have done without the glycerin, but this color is perfect. I definitely will be putting how to make this actual color on my YouTube shorts because this color is banging. And now for the try on and my final thoughts. Y'all like this color? Ooh. It's giving lip oils. So here are my final thoughts. I love the formula that I created. It's very like silky. It's definitely giving lip oil vibes. It's just to hold the pigments together. Definitely will have to have like another binding agent, which I will definitely order that and get back with you with the new formula. But I had to go through 3 test batch to get the perfect one. The first one is what you've seen in this video, and all the loose pigment dropped to the bottom. So the High Shine Lip Oil TKB Lip Gloss Base does not mix well with pigments. And I believe they say that on somewhere in the description. So definitely it's true about that. It definitely, it's a more fluid consistency, and adding the oils just give that extra nourishment to it. I wanted to make a video on just using the base by itself, but when I put it on, it was kind of tacky. It still gave it like a high shine, but it was really tacky. So I was like, let's start off with just mixing the oils together with that. Let me know down below in the comment section if you want to see just the High Shine lip gloss base by itself mixed with the pigment. So I did trial 2, which I added too much glycerin and I wanted it to be more pigmented, so I added more pigment, and this is what it gave. Not giving lip oil, giving high separation, and we don't like that. Then the third one, I made this one. This is cute. This is more of my speed. This gives a little bit more pigment to the lip oils. I know I've seen people say they like a lot of pigment in a lip oil, but you want your lip oils to be nourishing. If you want it to be high pigmented, get you a gloss, sis. Just get you a gloss. That's just my opinion. You're entitled to yours. Lip oils, I like the sheer consistency. So yeah, thank you for joining Daineia's Lip Lab, and I'll be back with another video, all things lip products. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video and share with a friend that you know that like lip products or wanting to have a lip product business. This is the place to be, because I will do all the formulating, creating everything for you, so you don't have to do it. And everything that I use in this final formula is down below. Let me know what you think. Will you try to make this?